noticed a lot of the wood turners and other makers on YouTube have like a sticker wall. So I wanted to start my own sticker wall. So I printed up some stickers that I started sending out, you know, with my logo out to other people. And I am very proud to announce that I'm going to start my sticker wall here. And I got my very first sticker. It's from Doug from Pole Barn Productions. Awesome guy. You should go check him out. I'll put his link down below. I also just got a new PO box, which I'll have scroll down on the bottom of the screen here, possibly, and I'll also leave it down in the description. But anyway, thank you, Doug, for being my first supporter with the sticker wall, and I'm gonna proudly put it up. Ta-da! There it goes. Does it look better with the light or without the light? But anyway, again, I'm gonna have my PO box down below. So you know, if you guys want to send me a sticker, I'll be more than happy to put it up. Obviously, I'll return the favor, and I'll send you one of my stickers. Again, thank you, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you so much.